Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I thought I'll quickly share everything that I got for myself from Myntra end of season sale. Now I know sale ends tonight at midnight, but unfortunately some of the deliveries got delayed for me. I don't know, maybe because of the sale. Anyways, I thought I will still share everything that I have received. There are some hits and there are some misses. So in case if you still have some items in your cart, but if you're confused about what is worth buying and what you should skip, then definitely give this video a watch. Hopefully by the end of the video it is going to be easier for you to make a decision. And yeah, without any further ado, let's quickly jump right into this video and have some fun. Okay, for the first category, we have some dresses. Basically, I have two dresses. One is a super hit and another one is a miss. Let's start with the one that is a hit. It's this beautiful and gorgeous dress that I got from the label Ritu Kumar. Got this at 70% discount at just around 2,500 rupees. And also, I love the color. It is so beautiful. It is muted orange with little delicate prints, and it looks even better in person. Believe me, the website or the video does not do any justice to this dress. The fabric is really soft, it fits me beautifully, and it can be worn as a dress or styled as a skirt thanks to the bandeau style. Now this dress is something I would highly recommend if you are looking to get something for your vacation, but you can also use it for just your casual dinner looks or dinner date as well. Just add a clutch or change your accessories and you're good to go. Okay, now this next dress I was really excited about, but it turned out to be a super flop. This one is from Mango, one of my tried and trusted brands, but this time I was really disappointed. This dress has so much potential. Love the overall combination of stripes at the top and then poplin material at the bottom, but the construction and the quality does not live up to Mango's usual quality. As you can see, the finishing here is really uneven, and even if I ignore that, this part definitely looks quite cheap to me. So if this one is in your cart, definitely skip this. Okay, next category, we have some gorgeous tops, most of them vacation friendly because it's summer vacation time. So I got a bunch of pieces from this brand called Kauri by Shreya Agarwal. If you watched my last video, you may have seen that I got a dress from them for my Goa trip and I absolutely fell in love. So I had to give a few more things a try from the brand, but I also have a few more pieces from some other brands. First up is this striped halter neck option. I just fell in love with the bright and bold color combination. This is made in 100% cotton. I think this is something which is going to be perfect for your vacations. Love the halter neckline, but this will require you to go for pasties or maybe a lift tape. I will add some options in the description box below in case you need it, because you definitely cannot wear your regular bra with a top like this. Next up is this off-shoulder black top, and I love the ruffle detailing and also the fact that it's slightly on the longer side. So if you are someone who is conscious about your midsection, then this is the kind of top that is going to look very flattering. Next up is this bright red number again. I do not think I have a lot of red options in my wardrobe, so I definitely wanted to add this. And to be honest, this is one top that I got a couple of weeks back, I think. If you follow me on Instagram, you may have seen me style it already, but I don't think I've ever shared this one here. And since it is from the same brand, I thought I'll quickly share this one. Once again, an off-shoulder option, but it has strap detail that you can tie around your neck, so it kind of gives you a little bit of lift too. Next up, we have a floral number, once again an off-shoulder one, but this one is more on the cropped side. So if you are somebody who is conscious about your midsection, I would say avoid this or pair it with something which is really high-waisted. Last on the list of tops, we have two options that I got from H&M. First up is the simple white option. Both these tops are made in viscose rayon fabric, so they are very lightweight. Nothing too great about the design, and the quality I would say is okay. It's not very premium quality, but it's very lightweight, which is perfect to wear on a day-to-day basis when the weather is so hot and humid out there, and that's the reason I picked them up. Also, I feel tops like these are very versatile. For example, you may have seen me style the white one with my sari last week, and this leopard print one also is something which is going to look great with your denims, your denim skirts, or you can also wear it with a pair of black trousers or shorts as well. For the next category, I have some stunning blazers. Now, I always make it a point to find out at least one or two good and well-constructed blazers and add it to my collection during the sale season, because these are the pieces that are usually going to be at a very high price point, especially if you're buying from places like Mango and Zara, and they are definitely my favorite places when it comes to blazers because their construction and overall quality is just top-notch. So let's start with the first one. Now, when it comes to summer, you want blazers that are more on the easy breezy side, made in cotton or linen fabric, nothing too structured or too heavy. And this Mango blazer was just the perfect match. It was on my wish list for the longest of time, and I was so happy that I was able to get this in the sale season. Now, this is part of a three-piece set, so it comes with a matching waistcoat and a pair of shorts as well. And I basically got all three. I will show them to you in the next parts of this video. Now, this next one is also from Mango. Now, short sleeves blazers are definitely on trend this year, and I was looking to add something that I would really love and can wear in multiple different ways. So I found this one once again at Mango. Love the color, love everything about this blazer except for the belt. Belt, I think, actually brings this one down. I do not like the belt at all, but that's not such a major deal because I'm just going to skip the belt and switch it with a nice leather belt of my own. And you can also wear it without the belt, by the way. The blazer is structured really well and the quality is top notch. If you're looking to add a short sleeve blazer, this definitely is a good option. Waistcoat is your answer to elevate any outfit in a moment. So I got quite a few waistcoats today, starting with the first one and also one of my favorites. This one is from Marks and Spencer. Now, I do have a lot of waistcoats, but I do not have anything in a bright color. Most of my waistcoats are basically neutrals. Got this one from Myntra, but I think it may be out of stock there. So I will add the links from Marks and Spencer's own website as well. I think this is such a well-constructed piece if you're looking to add to your workwear wardrobe or even to wear to vacation or casually. Next one is part of the three-piece set from Mango that I was telling you about. Once again, a really well-constructed waistcoat. The main reason I got this is because I wanted a complete set. But anyways, this is such a good piece to have. You can style it in so many different ways. You can wear it with your jeans, trousers, you can take it to work or wear casually as well. This next one is also from Mango, but this I wouldn't say is one of my favorite pieces. In fact, I will be returning it. However, if you are looking for something on an affordable side which still looks good, I think you can definitely give this a try. This one is made in polyester, so it definitely feels a little bit different than the other options that I've shared with you. However, the color is still something which makes it look much more premium than what it actually is. Then this last waistcoat is from the brand Vergio. I haven't shopped much from this brand. I did get one or two pieces from them a few months back, and so far I have loved the quality of those pieces. So this time I decided to get a couple of more pieces from them, and this waistcoat is one of them. I basically got this along with a matching skirt, but you can also go for the matching pair of shorts as well, depending on the mood or the vibe that you're looking for. This one is a very lightweight waistcoat, something which is perfect for hot and humid weather. It's a combination of linen and cotton, so you can very easily wear on a day-to-day basis. Next category, we have some bottom wear options. Whether you're looking for something to wear to work or casually or even for vacation, I think I've got literally everything. So the first option is something which is more of work appropriate. This one is from H&M. It is a pair of structured culotte style trousers. It is made in 100% cotton fabric. And what I loved is that it is very thick and structured, which actually makes you look and feel very confident, and it helps you elevate your outfits in an instant. Then I got this skirt from Vergio, which is part of the matching set of the waistcoat that I showed you earlier. I just love the idea of creating a quad moment whenever I can, because that's the easiest way to come up with an outfit that is elevated yet chic. But each of the pieces can also be worn separately as easily because the designs are so simple and the construction is really beautiful. The skirt once again is made in 100% cotton fabric. It is fully lined, and I love the tiered kind of ruffle design at the bottom. I think it gives it such a unique look, and yeah, I'm absolutely here for it. And with that, we are almost at the end of today's video, but let me quickly share 3 handbags that I got from Mango. 2 of them you may have already seen because I got them some time back, and they are now even at further discount. So I thought I will share them with you here in case you missed them, and a new addition to my closet. Okay, so this is the first bag. I just love the color combination. It is so bright and beautiful. I didn't expect to like this so much, to be honest, because I wasn't sure about the color combination, and I prefer my bags to be mostly on the neutral side. But when it arrived and when I styled it, I just fell in love. Now I do have a lot of straw bags, but most of them are basically in your usual beige and brown combinations, and this is something which is such a great option to add a little bit of color to your vacation wardrobe, especially if you are somebody who likes to keep the outfit very simple. For example, just a basic jeans and t-shirt or shorts and t-shirt kind of outfit. This is the kind of bag that is going to instantly help you elevate the look. Next up, these 2 clutches also from Mango, and I know that most of you may have already seen it, but I thought why not share it here, because right now they are at even further discount. So this is something which is such a beautiful option for vacation or your casual outings, and you can style it with literally every outfit. And then this gold metallic clutch too, I think is very, very versatile. You can carry it with your western outfits for date nights, or even with your Indian wear options for a more elevated kind of a look. And that was it for today's video, guys. I'm sorry it felt a little bit rushed, though I wanted to make sure that I'm able to get this video in time to help you guys make the right shopping decisions. So I do hope still that it helped you. And yeah, with that, let's end today's video here. I'm gonna see you guys soon once again with another fun video. In the meantime, as always, be well, be safe, take loads of care of yourself, and yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.